Good morning, everybody. It's the 3rd of January 2019, and we've been in between St. Thomas, St. John, and the British Virgin Islands for way too long, almost 6 weeks. We're getting ready to cast off the lines off this mooring ball and sail to St. Croix. Hope to get down there later today, and then they have their big Christmas festival, their Carnival event on Saturday. We're going to attend that. And then we're going to wait for a good weather window to head further south to Grenada. So come aboard as we set sail again aboard SV Quetzal, continuing our journey south. Should be a good sail. Got nice wind today, probably gusting up over 20, steady high teens, and it should be pretty much a beam reel. Sails up, engines off, leaving St. John, leaving St. Thomas behind us, heading to St. Croix. Here's our first challenge of the day. Yeah, that squall line over there. Now in front of us it looks okay, a little bit of squall. Don't know. Think we can outrun it? I doubt it. We'll see what happens. See, there's a little rainbow there. It's our reward for dealing with that squall back there. Frederiksted, heading over to Frederiksted, St Croix, for the big Christmas New Year's parade, Jour Verte, they call it. Pretty much a downwind run here. In Frederiksted, ready for the big party. Great thing is it's a wide open anchorage and hardly any boats.
You know I shot you.